What internet marketing expert should you spend your valuable time listening to? Listen to someone who has over 20 years of web marketing experience and hundreds of website marketing success stories. That man is Aaron Sparks from Site Strategics. And this is Edge of the Web Radio.
We've got two characters here. We've got the bad SEO professional that has sold maybe a bill of goods.
Slimy.
Absolutely shady business. And we want to hear what they've actually proposed to a client.
Oh, let's hear it.
Okay. Well, I'm your shady SEO person.
Hello, shady SEO person.
It's all about keywords on SEO. So this first point I want to make is that, Google's all about SEO, keywords. So what we're going to do is we're going to get your website to the top. And I'm going to tell you how we're going to do it. We're going to stuff some keywords in there. So whatever kind of keywords that you think that you want to get, let's just say I want to be, customized Christmas gifts. Mm-hmm. Let's just do that. Whatever. Right. I'm going to stuff, customize. I'm going to do it so much. But here's the trick. I'm not going to make it to where anybody else can see it except the search engine. So I'm going to paint it the same color as the background.
Well, Mr. SEO, how many words are we talking about here?
As many as you want. If you want 250, 500, I can type them all.
Per page? Is that what you're saying?
Every page we're going to do this. We're going to do it everywhere.
And Google doesn't mind that?
No. In fact, the more keywords, the better.
So this isn't a violation of Google's terms of service.
Not at all. Go look yourself.
All right, stop there, Mr. Shady SEO. All right. Listen. If you ever hear that, or if you look at your own website and you see more than 5 or 7 key phrases in your meta content, or if you've got things on your site that are kind of tucked away that no human user would even see, there's a problem. And one of the things, actually, right now, you shouldn't even be putting keywords into your content, into your meta areas of your web document at all. And the time has passed. It's a long dead practice,
right?
And
Google people saw people gaming it and they ripped it out. So
that's right. It's not a factor anymore. So
and the other part of this is, one, you said hiding them. Mm-hmm. If you hide them, you violate Google's terms of service. Yep. They'll bury you, and they'll tell you in Google Webmasters that they buried you. So you're a bad SEO person.
Bad SEO.
As long as I can get that invoice out.
And then the repetition that you wanted. What are you doing? So I go to I'm a user. I go to your page and I see it mentioned 15 times.
Exactly. But it's in the background.
It's
in the background.
Oh, it's in the background.
Right.
Yeah, it's in the background.
So you don't even know.
I don't even know. Nice.
Exactly. So the thing is, the engine spider these documents. They know what you're doing, and if you have that happening on your website, talk to your tech. Somebody needs to clean that out. Not only for the fact that you're actually showing your competition where you want to score, right? So get rid of it. Be done. And if you don't know how to do it, give us a shout. Bad SEO. Give me another.
Got another one.
Yeah,
so
hit me.
It's all about titles, and what we're going to do is, when you leave those tabs open, you want to have your brand name right there in those tabs every time. And so that when everybody has all their tabs open, they got your business right on that tab. So what we'll do is we'll slug your brand name in there, so that way, and the keywords in there, so that way, when somebody Googles you, that title will be there.
So the title of your company name should be at the beginning of every one of your...
Very beginning. In fact, that's probably the most important
So wait
keyword.
a second. If I search for my company right now, will I show up?
Yeah.
Okay, then why do I need to do this?
Because they don't know. Bad SEO man has gone silent.
Yeah.
And that's what we always see, right?
Exactly.
Is if you've got a good, different brand name, you're going to see yourself come up in the search results. Google's smart enough to understand who your business is, especially if you're doing some of the other stuff like Google Plus and social and everything else that are pointing back to that. But putting it at the front, you're just wasting space. You're wasting
And guess what? The consumers that type in your company name, they already know you.
Absolutely. Yep.
That's not a search term. It's not an organic value. It's not a non-branded term. Get rid of it. Now you can tail end it at the back of the document if you still want to have your back of the title of your document, if you want to have your brand out there. But strictly speaking, nobody's searching for the terms unless they already know you. So you're a bad SEO.
I got another one for you.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, he's not done.
So this one is a package deal that we have, and what it is I'm going to take your search in. I'm going to take your website, and we're going to put it into basically submit it to all the search engines. We're not talking just Bing, Google, and Yahoo. I'm going to submit it to Yandex, to China, to every freaking search engine there is. You pay us an X amount a month, and I'm going to submit it to all these search engines for you, and you're going to see your rankings go up from it because I'm going to say, hey, here we are.
Do you need to keep on doing it too?
I do.
Okay.
They continually, every time, everything needs to be updated to these search engines, so I have to throw it in there every month.
Oh, and you guarantee placement, huh?
You will see results.
So did you? So did you read the Google Webmaster blog a couple of weeks ago where they said that?
Of course I did, Doug. I'm always on top of my game.
So you read where they said that you should not be submitting it to every single submission engine.
He may have missed that one.
Yeah. No answer. Oh, yeah. Silence.
Why do I just see headphones there? What happened?
Don't know.
Fantastic.
The fact of the matter is, you should not and should not. Let me repeat that again. Should not submit your sites at all anymore to any engine. Engines are crawling your content, except for DMOZ. I mean,
well, DMOZ is pretty dead too, though.
It's got a value, but it's not minor. All things.
Yeah.
The engines spider your content. The engines send bots, and it's kind of like I always use the analogy. You know that Japanese pinball game that's a vertical. It's called Plinko, and you've got all those little nails in there, and you send the ball bearing from the top, and it goes all the way through, and it hits all the different nails, and it goes into whatever pocket it goes into. Hey, you're a winner. The fact of the matter is, the engines go through and spider kind of out into concentric circles inside your content, and they look at the value, how you're linking different documents. They know what your content's all about. You do not have to submit. And on top of that, you're violating terms of service, good guidelines, I should say. And on top of that, if you are constantly hitting all these search engines, right? You're spamming the entire world with bad SEO.
So what this basically comes down to, what you're telling me is that to be a good SEO, what I need to do is just worry about producing good content, present that content properly, so fast and well organized, the way a web page should be, and
makes sense to your human user,
and it should be popular. And as people build the popularity and people point to it, other relevant sites, then I'm going to rank accordingly.
It's almost easy the way you say that, Doug.
Yeah, well, it's not easy, but it's not as easy as getting de-indexed by a bad SEO guy over here.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. Thanks a lot, bad SEO, but we'll talk to you later.